In this video, I'm going to show you how to change fan speed on MSI Afterburner. So to be able to do this, you first have to download the Afterburner from MSI. You want to go to Google and type in MSI Afterburner, and then you want to click on the first link, which is from msi.com. And then you want to click to download either the final or the beta version. I would always recommend the final version because it just has less bugs and it works perfectly. Click on it and it will download to your computer. As you can see, I just downloaded it. It's this one, MSI Afterburner setup.zip. You then want to go to your downloads folder over here on your computer. And then as you can see over here, you have a zip folder in here. Simply, you want to right click it and then press extract all. Just click this and then press extract, and it should extract over here next to this folder that already existed. Now open up this folder, and as you can see, the MSI Afterburner installer is in here. You want to double click this, and then as you can see, it's gonna ask you if you want to install the MSI Afterburner and the Norton 360 for Gamer. So if you want this, you can install it. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna have the MSI Afterburner and gonna press install. So once you press this, it's going to take a few seconds up to a few minutes for this to install. So you have to select a language, press OK, next, and then yet again you want to click I accept and press next. And then as you can see over here, I'm not going to run this statistic server because right now it doesn't matter. And then you want to press next, next, and then install. So in a few seconds, the MSI Afterburner will be installed to your computer. So as you can see, there we go. It's just come to an end, and there we go. You can decide if you want to show the README and run the MSI Afterburner. I'm going to just run the MSI Afterburner. Then you want to click Finish over here once you've clicked this, and then this will launch up your MSI Afterburner. And as you can see over here, you can either leave it like it is, or you can then, of course, minimize it if you're not using it anymore, and you can have it down here in your kind of system tray. So there we go. I just opened this up. Now, what you want to do over here to change the fan speed is simply drag this over here. So as you can see, right now, my fan speed is at 0, and it says adjust fans. If I hover over it, it will say that thing, as you were able to see earlier. So it will essentially adjust the fan speed, and then once you're happy with it, it's essentially you have to press this check mark over here, and you will apply the changes to essentially change the settings on your computer. So if I were to set this to, let's say, for example, 50 over here, and then I press this check mark, my fan speed is gonna be increased. So that's pretty much it. That's how to change the fan speed on MSI Afterburner. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.